Welcome back to Occur Controls, and in this video we will talk about the setting option in our Possible Pro app. Click the settings button from the home screen. Here you will see all the options. There is a separate video for item stock and rate change. You can find that in a description. Next is expenses. You can retain a simple ledger on the expenses. Click the expenses to note the reason and the amount. We can view this in reports. Next is opening balance. Select the option and enter the cash at the opening balance amount for the day. These two are taken to tally your cash balance. Regarding the initial settings and customer, which is for the device connection, we have another video. Now go into general settings. First is fixed discount, which is given in all bills. This can be used during festival to all customers. Enable this next option to allow manual rate entry while billing. Next, by enabling this option at the end of each billing, you can have the cash tendered facility. To maintain the stock and get low stock notification from our Possible Pro app, enable the next two options. There is an option to have price inclusive of GST. Just enable this option to reverse calculation of price. To import the entire item list, click the import item list and select your CSV file from your internal storage. Similarly, to export the item list, click the export item list. The exported file contains the item name, stock, item low stock, unit rate, tag slab, weight or pieces, item code. The same file format is used for importing item details. Use clear and reset option to reset your running bill number, customer list, customer statistics and item list with the respective options. The app will ask for fingerprints authentication to authenticate and reset the data. The reports and app validity of Possible Pro app is similar to our Possible 2.0 app. For any reference, watch those videos. The link is provided below in the description. The entire features list of your app is given in the features option. Get to know the features to fully utilize the app. To know more on features and usage, go through how to use option. If you further have queries or feedback, you can mail us using the help or feedback option. If you are yet to purchase the app, download it from Play Store and contact us for more details. Make sure you watch all our tutorial videos of this Possible Pro app. Thank you.